Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is featuring Scrap Diva Designs new mailer boxes. And you guys, I made a trinket box with them. So what you will need for this project is the small mailer, the medium mailer, and the large mailer. So I will have her linked below so you can create your own as well. So the mini mailer was currently sold out and she recently brought it back. So if you see it, grab it if you like what you see here. I have another project coming up with these. Hopefully you enjoy it as well and it will inspire you to create it, and also this one. So this is my trinket box right here. We've all done like a 3-tiered suitcase and book stack, so I decided to create a trinket box, and I love it because it's floral, it's spring, the bees, I love it. It's so sweet and dainty, and also Maggie Holmes. So what I did here was I added the flowers here to be the knob, so that replaces that. So each one are here, and I did add like the stepping to be larger on this side so all of these florals can fit. I also use Scrap Diva Designs flower die. Let me get that for you so you can see that. Here it is right here, and so this I did use the leaves on this floral die. So if you love the leaves, how it looks here, pick this up. So the rest of the flowers are made with Sizzix or In Love Art Shop flowers, but everything came out amazing. I'm very happy with it. These bees right here are from this die that I recently shared, the Elizabeth Craft Designs, and that is number 710, and it says bees. So really cute and dainty bee that it makes. I love it. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So everything is empty here. This bee is a silhouette bee. I did use that in my beehive. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It's such a cute little mini beehive. You guys, I love it. I love all the colors. I love the florals. And so I did add magnets to these, and it just opens like so and it snaps right in. So the first two have magnets. The bottom one doesn't. So it closes like that. You have to be mindful of the opening closures, the closures here. So be mindful of the closures here. Make sure you don't put any florals in front of that. So the bottom one is not a magnetic. It's just like so. And so that one just tucks right in. And I left it like that because I didn't know if the magnets were going to hold, because it is top heavy and I wanted it to be secure, and so I left these little notches here. It is a little, you have to get it right because, so I will leave that there. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to show you how to make this. I love the little feet. The little feet are from a Silhouette design store. You may be able to find it on the designer's website. I will have that linked below as well if they have one. And so yeah, I love the little feet there. You can easily use some beads, or you can use some little feet stands from the craft store, but I love it. Okay, so again, let's go ahead and put the smaller box together, and so it would be this one here. If I inspired you today, use my discount code. It's V10. All set. So here's the mini mailer, and let me go ahead and put together the medium, and so it comes in 2 pieces here. Let's do that. Check out the links below, and also check out the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs to get more inspiration. Here is the medium mailer, and so it's going to stack together. So let's go ahead and do the large. If you have any questions, please feel free to link them below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All set. Here is the large. So what you want to do with all of these, so you decide where you want it, And what I do want to do before we go over that, if you're going to use magnets, I'm using these ones here from Amazon. These are like the very miniature ones from Amazon, and look how tiny they are. So each strip has, I don't know, like 20 magnets on it, and you get, I don't know how much you get, but I will have it linked below. Oh, okay, 300 pieces here, and they're 3 millimeters, and they're not as strong as I would like them to be. So that is the reason why they are on the outside, so there's no paper or cardstock covering it, because they're not as strong to be underneath a cardstock. So if you want a stronger one, I would recommend looking for a stronger one, but these ones serve its purpose and I'm just going to use them. So before we do that, what I do is I cut these flaps here. So get your scissors and cut them. So I cut them off only on the first two. The last one, you want to keep it there, you want to keep the flaps, because your little trinket box is going to be top heavy if you're going to add as many pieces as I have. So this little piece didn't want to cut off. So you could also round the corners here with the corner rounder before you put your magnet on, or before you glue all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and stack these, and so I like it like this because I like this side right here to have room to where I could put my flowers. So one would go like this, and so I have two on this side right here, so two large flowers here, and then I start stacking miniature flowers on top. So let's go ahead and do that. So I like it right there, so just take some hot glue, and be mindful of this part right here, you don't want to glue that. So there's that one, and then this one is going to go right here. So that's what that looks like there. As far as the magnets, I glue them on with hot glue, and if that doesn't work for you, because the second one did not, what I had to use is glossy accents, so use a stronger glue for that. So yeah, so okay, so for the bottom, for the feet of the trinket box, I'm going to add some beads, since not everyone has a silhouette machine or a Cricut, so I want to go ahead and do that option for you so you can see how that looks. So I'm choosing to go with this right here. These wood beads are from Dollar Tree. Reason I chose them because they're very inexpensive, and it can also look really cute. You can double up on them. You could add a round one underneath a square, and that way it'll give it a different look. So do you see how that looks? That looks really cute, you guys. Let me go ahead and put that together so you can see how it would look. So all I'm using is glue, hot glue. So do you see that? I love it. It looks really nice as a little foot. Look at that. How cute is that? I'm using that right now. I like that. So we are going to use that, and that way you can see how it looks, and you don't have to use the paper option like I did. I only used it because I am obsessed with my silhouette cameo, and it's the fastest thing for me, considering that I have, you know, a lot going on in my life. And so I always use that option. This little trinket box can be made also by scratch, super easy if you want to do that route. However, I like the easy route, you guys. The easiest route is the best route, except for sewing. Sewing, I can't give that up. Just about done here. Super easy. Look at that. Look at those feet. Oh my goodness. I wish you can see it standing up. but super cute. This is all you have to do. Then add your magnets and voila, you get this little trinket box. You could decorate it however you'd like. I love it, you guys. So that is it for today. This is my design team project share. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.